Imagine a world where every material we use protects the planet instead of harming it. Welcome to the future of eco-friendly materials. Today we're exploring the world of eco-friendly materials. From reducing waste to cutting down carbon emissions, these materials are reshaping industries and creating a brighter, greener future. Stick around as we dive into some incredible examples and practical tips for adopting them in your life or business. Did you know that over 300 million tons of plastic are produced annually, and less than 10% gets recycled? The rest often ends up polluting our oceans and landfills. That's why switching to eco-friendly materials is more critical than ever. Not only do these materials reduce pollution, but they also save energy and resources, making them a win-win for both businesses and the environment. Let's look at some fascinating examples of eco-friendly materials that are changing the game. First up, damar gum, a natural resin from Indonesia. It's biodegradable, versatile, and perfect for varnishes, adhesives, and even eco-friendly coatings. What makes damar gum special is its ability to replace synthetic materials. It's not just good for the environment, it's also cost-effective and versatile. And it doesn't stop there. Damar gum is also making waves in modern industries. In cosmetics, damar gum is becoming a favorite for eco-conscious brands. From lip balms to nail polishes, it's replacing synthetic chemicals with a natural alternative. It's safe, sustainable, and offers the perfect texture and finish. That's why we love it. Even in furniture, damar gum-based varnishes provide a beautiful finish while being environmentally friendly. It's proof that tradition can meet innovation. So, what do you think about damar gum? From art to industry, this natural resin is truly transforming the way we live. If you found this video interesting, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more stories about innovation and sustainability.